here at the start of the walk, the Ellis Nature Trail. It's about 2 minute stroll from here to the walking centre, and the walk itself takes about 10 or 15 minutes, so all in all it's under a half an hour. It's only about 2 kilometres round trip, but it's a nice little stroll through the woodland, which isn't as common in Connemara. Sun is out, it's a beautiful Tuesday morning, and let's go, have a look halfway through. On the Ellis Wood Nature Trail, it's paved and steps, so you can walk this quite comfortably in runners, no worries. And it's a pretty quiet walk. Not a lot of people take this. It's less popular than the Diamond itself, but it's a little bit unique in that there's not that much woodland in Connemara, and this takes you straight through the woodland. It's about a half an hour altogether from the lodge, round trip on the Ellis Wood Nature Trail, and then back to the lodge. Hey, we're here at the bottom of the I'm here at the bottom of the Ellis Wood Nature Trail. From here to the lodge takes about 10 minutes to walk, and it's about 15 minutes from here back. Mostly a paved surface, so you can quite comfortably walk this in your runners, and it's less popular than the Diamond itself, but nevertheless it offers a nice stroll through the woodland, which wouldn't be extremely popular in Connemara. That's right. Some common fuchsia, and I like to see that the park have continued the red theme on this building here, which was probably used for the coach house or something, I guess. Check out the confused branch. It doesn't know whether to go up or go down, so it's done both. There's a really well maintained path here, so you can walk here anytime. It doesn't matter if it's wet. It's a gravel path, and it was raining last night, so it seems to be dry as a cork. We're on the Ellis Wood Nature Trail. It's about 3 kilometres round trip from the walking centre, and it's a nice short stroll, you know, handy enough from the lodge. You don't need to drive your car, and we're on timber decking here now, but the surfaces are really well maintained throughout the whole walk, so yeah, you don't need walking shoes for this.